My name is Eli, and I'm here today with a secret. And the secret I have is how you can learn English more quickly than other people. And it's so simple. The secret is something we call immersion. Immersion is just to surround yourself with English, okay? To make it the language that you speak whenever you can, the language that you hear whenever you can, okay? And the language that you read whenever you can. Just like learning a sport, the more you practice English, the faster you learn. But practice doesn't have to look like this. When it can look like this, or even like this. We created Revolution English to help you learn English faster, better, and for free. We'll help you find shows, movies, and books that will help you learn, and we'll give you the most effective language learning tips, all to help you dramatically speed up your learning in a way that is fun, engaging, and effective. Are you ready to jump in? I think you are ready. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. The only way that I can send you new videos as soon as we make them is for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? That's also the only way that I can share new secrets with you about how you can learn English faster. Find the subscribe button. It's going to look something like this or like this. Click on that to subscribe to our channel. It's free, and we will share TV clips, English lessons, and new secrets that will help you learn English quicker and for free. And I want to see you right here every day.